him out a little bit. Let him.
He's got something this time.
Oh, look at that.
Nice big sunfish.
Oh my gosh.
You get a hold of the pole and lift him up, will you?
Oh my gosh. Look at this.
Hey,
Oh
that's
my
a nice
God.
one.
Look
That's a nice one.
That's a good one.
Wow.
I wish that other guy was here.
Oh, yeah.
That's fantastic.
If we had a bucket full like that, it'd be all
That
right.
would be a meal.
Oh, is that nice?
Oh.
But we're
No,
gonna.
don't let them hook you. You gotta slide your fingers down like this when you get a hold of it. Or always let me do it. I'll take care of it.
Huh?
Like, see if Grandpa can do it.
I gotta.
A rag. He always takes a rag.
Oh, sorry. Where'd they go, Judy?
A dry rag, yeah. Isn't that something? Boy, you're an old fisherman from way back.
You're all rigged up for everything here.
Yep.
Get them like that, and then for these you probably need a pliers
No
too.
pliers, and I took both tackle boxes and no pliers.
Really?
He's hooked really nice. Left.
Yes, this is a nice hooker.
Yep.
It's a nice hooker. Good thing they're fishing.
I'm so glad you caught.
Isn't that amazing?
That barb is
Now if we
nice.
put some back, will you catch the same one?
Yeah.